Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study and work hard. First, clearly define your goals. Think about what you want to achieve in your studies and work, making them specific and measurable. Then, break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the overall task less daunting and easier to start. Finally, prioritize your tasks to ensure you're always focusing on the most impactful work first. Next, let's talk about smart study strategies. Employ active recall by testing yourself frequently, and use spaced repetition to review material over time for better memory. It's also crucial to set up a dedicated study space that is free from distractions, helping you concentrate fully. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 25 to 30 minutes, to refresh your mind and avoid mental fatigue. To boost your productivity, consider implementing effective time management techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique, which involves focused work intervals. Try to minimize multitasking. Instead, concentrate on one task at a time to improve your efficiency and the quality of your output. Regularly review your progress to see how far you've come, which helps maintain motivation and allows you to adjust your plans as needed. Finally, maintaining balance and well-being is essential for sustained hard work. Make sure you get adequate sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours each night, as rest is crucial for cognitive function. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Even a short walk can boost your energy and mood. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some great deals on leak-proof containers and other helpful items to support your healthy habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.